Just a reminder that the majority of my videos on this channel are in mathematics, but I do have some in technology and miscellaneous plumbing and so on. But the majority are in mathematics. I've done the last several have been in technology, mainly on computers, but this will be on math. It'll be a short video. And this question came up while I was doing a student here at the college, taking trigonometry, was evaluating trigonometric functions using the calculator. Okay. So if you look at the calculator, you can see that you have the sine function there, sin, cosine, cos, tangent, but there's no secant, cosecant. So he was wondering how to compute that. And of course, it has to do with the reciprocal identities. So here we have secant of 37 degrees. And of course, we know that secant of any angle, say theta, is 1 over cosine of that same angle. The same way we can say cosine of any angle is 1 over secant of that same angle. So you want to compute the secant of 37 degrees, you just use this identity right here. Okay, so just enter it here, and of course this is secant of 37 degrees, so a couple of ways we can do it. We can just say, let's take 1 divided by cosine and enter 37, and that's attached to degree by hitting the second key here, and then go over here to angle, which we're hitting the apps key, but we're accessing angle. And then number 1 is degree, so hit 1. Okay, so this is telling me that the secant of 37 degrees is the same as 1 over cosine of 37 degrees. So we hit enter, and this is rounded off to 2 decimal places. So this would be 1.25. 1.25. Okay. Now, of course, if you don't want to mess with the unit here there of the angle, we can go to the mode and then just go to degree. Hit enter, and then we don't have to enter the degree, and just say, okay, this will be 1 divided by the cosine of 37, and since we're set to degree mode, the calculator knows this is in degrees. Hit enter, again 1.25. Okay, we'll clear this. Now clear this also here. Here I have cotangent of 17, and the third one is cosecant of 92. And notice it doesn't have a unit there. So if it doesn't have a unit, that's radian. Okay, so again, I could just set the calculator to radian mode, or I could attach the little r there for radian. But let's just go ahead, since we have both of them are radians, let's just go to the mode again, and then change this to radian. Hit enter here. Okay, so now it's in radian mode, so I can say then, again, using your identities here, I know cotangent of any angle is 1 over the tangent. So this should be the same thing as 1 over the tangent of 17 degrees, or radians, I should say. Okay. So on the calculator then, we just go 1 divide by tangent of 17 radians. Hit enter. You get 0.286 and so on, and to 2 places that'll be 0.29. So the answer to this cotangent of 17 radians is 0.29. through this. Now, cosecant of 92 radians, again, it doesn't have the unit, so that's understood to be in radians. Your reciprocal identity here, and this should be the same thing as 1 over the sine. At the same angle, 92 radians. Okay, now we come back over here then, and just hit 1, divide by sine 92. Calculator's in radian mode, so hit enter. So we get a negative to 2 places. Drawing that out to 2 places, we get a negative 1.28. Okay, so just a little short video here on computing these types of problems in the calculator. I'll follow up with more videos in the coming weeks, more in technology, more in math. I do remind you that I do have another channel that, again, pretty much strictly devoted to math videos, and I'll put a link in the description in case you want to see more of that type. I will have some more math videos here, but again, if you want to check out that channel, I'll go ahead and put a link to that in the description. And again, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.